Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could check your Wi-Fi password in Windows 10. So let's say you connected some time ago to your Wi-Fi, however you have forgotten the password. You still can check it if your computer is able to connect to it. To do that, simply connect to your Wi-Fi. Even if usually once you enter the password once, you don't need to enter it again, so make sure that you are connected. Go to your control panel, or in the search tab type control panel. This works also for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 12 and Windows 11. So control panel. Make sure to change view by from small or large icons to category. Click on network and internet. Click network and sharing center. Click on the Wi-Fi to which you are connected. Click on wireless properties. Click on security. Click on show characters. And here you will see your internet password. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.